How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get too far into things today, I just want to remind you guys that I'm starting Vlogmas on December 12th. So make sure that you check into the channel more frequently between the 12th and the 25th, because I'm going to be uploading a video every single day. I'm really excited. I've never daily uploaded before, and I've heard it's really hard, but I have some cool things lined up, so I hope you guys look forward to that.
A few moments later.
Okay, guys, got some bad news. So I was on my way to Jason's house because I'm going up to Salem to make this video. This has happened to me once before, and it happened again, and I thought I fixed it, but I guess I didn't. So let me show you guys what happened. So as you can see, my front splitter has come down again. All of these self-tapping screws just aren't even holding on to the bumper anymore, and this started dragging on the ground. So I undid a couple of the screws on the back of the fender so that way I can like kind of pull it off. I'm gonna have to cut some stuff, but yeah, it's a little bit unfortunate. I'm not exactly sure what to do. I guess I'm just gonna go ahead and remove it for now because not much I can do about it right this second. But once I get to Jason's house, I'll go ahead and try to maybe put it back on, but I'm not even sure because, I mean, you guys know that the new bumper is going on the car pretty soon, and this is kind of just like a temporary look, so I'm kind of just trying to put as little into this as possible until I get the new bumper on. So kind of a mess, but I'm gonna go ahead and get that off of there somehow, and then I'm gonna continue my way up to Jason's. Well, I got it in here, barely. Oh, I hope Jason has some hardware or something I can use. I was gonna talk to you guys for a minute on my way up here, but this car is just so loud that I'm just gonna wait till I get there because I don't want to look like a dingus just yelling at the camera. So I'll talk to you guys in just a minute. All right, so I just made it to Jason's house. I'm officially having a terrible day now. I kind of just sat in my car for like 5 minutes trying to keep myself from crying. But anyway, Jason said to come down to his car. I don't know where he's at. What's he doing? Jason! One sec.
Okay, there we go. Hi, so I made Kaidan come up to my house and he broke his car.
It's your fault.
It's all my fault. I am almost finished with doing things to this car. There it is, yeah, here. Because I need to focus on the car that actually needs work, which is the Cabriolet, which this car does not need work. If anything, I've just made it less reliable over the past 6 months or so.
You need a turb ski.
I have a turb ski.
Bigger turb ski.
Okay, yes,
More
I should get a bigger...
ski.
My dad wouldn't like that. I put some spacers all around on this. Hold on, let me flip you guys around here. I put some spacers on all around. I put 20 millimeters in the back, and I put 25 millimeters in the back, 20 millimeters in the front, and it's basically flush now. So now my lift, which my dad also won't let me get rid of, looks really nice now. It looks more purposeful, because even if I did lower it a lot, it would just hit the fender. So I think it looks really nice. But there's one last thing that we need to do. Here's the item in question. It's a little dirty, but we can clean it up.
It does that on purpose. That's a functional. Yeah. That's a functional detail.
It's a couple little like risers.
Okay.
So it looks weird, but
I don't think it looks weird.
It's gonna go somewhat like that, ish.
Does it not curve to match the trunk?
No.
Oh, I guess because you have to open the trunk in that curve.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
This can't come all the way up there because when the trunk opens, this actually goes like in.
Yeah.
So it would just hit.
And then you said it came with some risers too. Ah, yeah, just throw it on the ground, why don't you?
It's got some risers. This one's a little taller. This one goes in the middle. Then these two go on the outside. I'm not sure which way this goes. The dude is just like, yeah, here. So, but they're gonna go kind of under here, somewhat like this. I guess they just go somewhat around there. You're really good with being precise with like body work and things, so you can do this part. It's gonna sit right about like that.
Sure.
It's gonna sit just about like that.
Nice. Yeah, that makes it look more level. I like that. Because when you just had it set on there, I was like, kind of droopy.
Yeah, no.
But yeah, the risers
it's like down before, then the risers make it like flat.
Yeah, risers definitely worth it. What's the dude's name? Does he want to like?
His name is Aiden Sturkey or Sturkey. I'm not sure which one. I'll link this video in the Facebook groups that he's in. Sorry for mispronouncing your name.
Yeah, awesome product. I think he sells it for like $100. So if you own an Alltrack or a GTI or a Golf R or just a Golf and you want one of these, because it should fit, right? They're all
No, these only fit the wagons.
Ah.
That's why he made these, is because there's like no market for just a wing for just the wagons.
Oh.
So he just decided to make his own. And the ones that there are just tiny little lip spoilers that you can't even see because of the size of the wagon.
Yeah, well,
so,
it definitely looks better. So I know there's a couple of you guys that actually own one of these wagons that have been watching the channel, so thank you guys so much for supporting it. If you guys want one of these, I think he sells them for about $100, give or take some. I don't remember. I think it's like 92.
Yeah, it was like 80 bucks plus shipping. His prices may change. I don't know. That's just what he charged me.
Yeah, but I don't know if you guys have ever tried to buy a wing before, but that is like dirt cheap, and that thing looks really cool. So definitely hit him up, and hopefully he sees this video because yeah, it's a cool product. We're gonna check it out today. That was cute. Okay guys, so we've got the Alltrack in the garage now. We've kind of just been letting it warm up in here, letting the heaters blow and everything. So we're gonna go ahead and start working on putting the wing on. We basically just warmed it up in here so that way when we stick the double-sided tape down, it'll have something strong to stick to, because when it's cold, sometimes the adhesive won't bond to it properly. So we went ahead and warmed it up. We used the heat gun and got it nice and room temperature. We didn't want it to be like hot or anything, of course, but just warmer than cold. And so we're gonna go ahead and start working on sticking it down. It should be pretty easy. It's literally just double-sided tape for the win, so.
That's what we always say, and it's never true, so.
Hey, it's true most of the time. 75%.
Sway bar, headlights.
Hey, it went perfectly smooth. Nothing went wrong. Well, did we break anything with the headlights?
No, the one headlight just took an hour and a half to position.
Well, yeah, that's just because they're aftermarket. That's just how it be. My headlights went in like 5 seconds, but yeah.
Well, once we knew how to position it, the other one went in like 5 seconds.
This is true.
Okay, so he said the easiest way to do this is to test fit this onto there, and then figure out where these guys need to go,
And then stick them down.
and then stick these guys down, then peel all the tape off of that.
Which one's the center? This
The
one?
big one, and then they go with this way facing up first.
All right, so check it out. If I push it in too far, the back raises up. So I think you just get it to where it's touching, and then you pull it back until that sets down, and then that's about where you want it to be. Good old eyeball method.
Eyeball method's all we need.
I mean, if you think about it, you'll never look at both sides at the same
It
time.
needs to get pushed, but the whole thing needs to get pushed this way just a little bit.
Push it. No, small pieces.
Small pieces?
Like 3 or 4 inches. The reason why I want small pieces is because I'm going to do like this.
Okay, I see.
Yeah, small pieces.
Set that there and then come look at it over here with me.
Oh, dude. That's going to look
You
good.
think that's good?
Yeah, I like that.
Okay, sounds good.
I'll lift this up and you stick the risers down.
This one?
Yep.
And pretty much right on the edge, right?
I'm just going to stick it right there. That's where it's going.
Push.
That's where it's going.
Okay, so now we gotta take off all of this tape that's on here.
All the red.
Here, we gotta get these guys off too.
Yeah.
Can't even get the first one off.
What the heck? Yeah, me either.
One down.
I can't even get this one, dude. This is hurting my brain a little bit.
Oh. Oh. Oh no.
You just tried to rip it?
No, I accidentally bumped it.
I thought you just
Yes, 3 down.
Progress on Jason's side.
You know what? Screw you, Jason. Take that. Who's making progress now, boy? By the way, shout out to Jason's little sister for recording for us today. You can say hi to the vlog if you want to. You can flip it around.
Hi.
Came in clutch, because this would have been really hard to record with just Jason and I. Oh, it's starting to peel. See, the problem is that once I get it to peel, it starts pulling up the tape.
Need some help.
I might need your help.
Pathetic.
Did you get it? What the heck? Well, I just suck apparently. Oh, I gotta get this piece off too.
Moment of truth.
Well, we gotta make
How do we do this? Yeah, what's the plan here? Because once we start leaning this down, it's going to stick immediately.
Yeah, lower it down.
It's gonna start to stick.
It's okay.
What do you mean it's okay?
Jason.
On the end first?
No, just in the middle. Well, just in general, all the way. Jason, I trust your judgment.
Does it look good on your side?
Yes, it looks good.
Okay, it looks good on my side too.
Okay, let's stick it down. I don't know how far away you got it. Mine's like maybe a centimeter, probably half a centimeter.
Ooh, good.
Okay, good.
No, I think that actually looks good. Bro. Just gotta melt it a little bit to adhere it.
I just want it to bend around there a little bit.
Oh, I see what you did. You just melted it right into there.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow, okay, that worked really well.
Yeah, it looks great. Don't touch it. I just realized that I've been recording all day in 60 FPS. So when I thought things couldn't get any worse today, now my edit is gonna take absolutely forever. But it's okay. We finished the build today, I guess. I don't know. I think Jason needs to lower this car just a little bit. I don't think it would look very great slammed. Hey, let me talk to the boys. I'm talking to them. I don't think it would look great slammed, but I just think like maybe like an inch or an inch and a half would be awesome. But he's not planning on doing that right now. He's kind of got the rally aesthetic going on. He has like kind of the textured black look over the fenders, and then the textured black wing is to match that. But for right now, we're gonna continue working on the cabriolet because that car really needs love. And this car is just kind of like the daily car, and it's kind of the ultimate daily if you think about it. Like all-wheel drive, manual, great gas mileage, tons of space in the back, 4 doors, and I think Jason wants to keep it like that and keep it reliable, so I respect that. You know, once you start going low, you just always want it to be lower, and it's a vicious cycle that you can't get yourself out of very easily. We're gonna go and work on the cabbie for a little bit, but then I'm actually headed back home because I have homework to do. So yeah, I'll see you guys back in the garage. Okay guys, so we're actually back in my garage now. We recorded some stuff with the cabbie, but I decided not to put it in this video because we really didn't make any progress at all. So I'm just gonna save that for an upcoming video. This video was originally gonna be about test fitting the GT350 bumper, but I decided not to start on that until I really have enough time to like spend a whole day on it, because I don't wanna start ripping things apart and then have to leave and go and take a final. So this is gonna be saved for Vlogmas, which by the way, is starting on this Saturday. I'm gonna be vlogging every single day from December 12th all the way to the 25th. I said it at the beginning of the video, but just a reminder, if you made it this far, and like if you're watching it anytime soon, be sure to subscribe because I'm gonna be daily uploading a lot. It's gonna be kind of hard, but I have a lot of cool content planned. So with that out of the way, I'll see you guys in about 5 days. Peace out and dream big.